5735.
5735.
Am I getting out? I've been in a crash, 178 and TV Highway, and no injuries, send medical, my radio's messed up.
5303 confirming you were involved in the crash?
Yes.
Copy.
And 5735 confirming you do want medical. Is that for the other party?
No, we don't need medical. But y'all, send them anyways. And my radio's really loud, sorry.
I'm going to advise them to send medical code 1.
5207 to Cage, are you still out that call on TV Highway 334?
Yeah, I was en route.
Copy that, where are you now? And 207 to 303, I can head that way if you like. I'm in Bethany. Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm getting ready to step into a meeting.
It's going to be 178 in TV.
7, copy, 178 TV.
Car 64, Ops 34, unknown injury accident. Police are on scene, 178 in TV Highway, Southeast 5585 T. Charles. Car 64, Ops 34, unknown injury accident. Police are on scene, 178 in TV Highway, Southeast 5585 T. Charles, 1540.
And 5740, can we get a marked unit here?
5369, I'm en route from 209th and TV. 14, what's the location of 5735 incident?
5735 is 178 in TV.
Can you show me en route, please?
Car 64 responding for unknown injury accident, 178 TV Highway. This is a Washington County deputy involved in a crash, unknown injury at that location. Requesting code 1.
64, copy, back, thank you.
5740, can I confirm, because you're currently on a warrant service, are you actually at 5735?
Affirmative. Put the warrant in the queue. We're out with 5735.
I'll put the plate info in the correct call. Thank you.
5523, show me out with the crash at 178 TV. 1778.
1778.
He put me out on that crash also, 178 TV.
Copy.